Welcome back to Spy Garage.
An important entry into the premium recreational vehicle industry by a company known for its dependability and careful engineering is the projected 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome. It is anticipated that this car will represent a synthesis of Toyota's basic principles of dependability, durability, and elegant design, enhanced to satisfy the demands of discriminating tourists looking for both luxurious comfort and adventure. The 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome is anticipated to have a subtle yet elegant exterior design. It will probably have integrated lighting systems, sleek lines, and an emphasis on aerodynamic efficiency, departing from blatantly flashy designs. Superior finishes and materials would highlight its premium positioning, and features like exterior storage compartments and slide-out portions would be seamlessly integrated. The whole design would probably exude a sense of sturdy elegance, suggesting that the car could be used for both long trips and pleasant habitation. The 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome is expected to be constructed on a sturdy and painstakingly designed chassis beneath its elegant facade. The car would probably have a strong but efficient engine, leveraging Toyota's powertrain technology expertise to provide dependable and seamless performance on a variety of terrains. By prioritizing ride comfort, an upgraded suspension system would lessen the effects of uneven road surfaces. Additionally, it would be crucial to incorporate Toyota's well-known safety features, such as cutting-edge driver assistance systems that improve the security of both drivers and passengers. The 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome's inside is where the focus on high-end luxury is most noticeable. Anticipate an exquisitely designed living area with premium materials including fine leathers, exquisite textiles, and finely made wood veneers. With features like a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line equipment, an opulent bathroom with high-end fixtures, and a cozy sleeping area with lots of storage, the layout would be cleverly planned to optimize both space and usefulness. Sophisticated technology such as a cutting-edge infotainment system, smart home controls, and extensive connectivity possibilities would be effortlessly incorporated. Reliability, discreet luxury, and a stellar reputation are all factors that the 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome is designed to appeal to. It would probably compete with well-known luxury RV brands by providing upscale amenities together with Toyota's renowned dependability. With the assurance that comes with Toyota's engineering prowess, the emphasis would be on offering occupants a smooth and stress-free travel experience. The 2026 Toyota Premium Motorhome is expected to be a strong new addition to the luxury RV market, emphasizing long-lasting quality and sophisticated comfort, even though specifics are still pending formal announcement.